Now that all the loads have been assigned, we will do a quick review of the wind pressure coefficients utilizing the database display option. Click the display menu, set input table mode command to bring up the database input tables. Click on the assignments tab and then click the wind pressures box. Make sure that the selection only checkbox is not checked. Each row in the corresponding table represents one area object. Note that the fifth column displays the CP coefficients that were previously input for the vertical area objects. The next three columns display the X, Y, and Z components. Notice that all the load is in the positive global X direction as desired. Now we are ready to analyze the object-based Etabs model, which we can do by clicking on the Run Analysis button or through the Analyze menu, Run Analysis command. A window will open displaying Analyzing, Please Wait, and data will roll across the screen as the program executes each portion of the analysis. You may scroll back through this window while the program is in the analysis mode to review any of the displayed information. When the process is complete, the program automatically displays a deformed shape of the model, and the model is locked, preventing any changes that would invalidate the analysis results. Next, we will graphically review our analysis results. Make sure that the 3D view is active and click on the elevation button and select one. Click the display menu, Show Member Forces, Frame Forces command to generate member force diagrams. Select Dead Static Load, Moment 3-3, Show Values on Diagram, and click OK. On the moment force display, right-click on a beam to bring up the individual diagrams. Note that the applied load, shear, moment, and deflection are shown. Click the Scroll for Values option, change the units to kip feet, and enter 6.5 in the location box. The corresponding values are displayed. You may also scroll along the member to any location. We will reset the view by clicking on the display menu, Show Undeformed Shape command, and then the 3D view button.